Right then, a different video this time. Quite a few people, if they're Nürburgring fans, will probably already know this is coming.
Good morning, comrades. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Nürburgring, Apex, etc. Title of the video, probably Goodbye Ring Tractor. Don't worry, it's not being sold. Majority of you should know that it is actually finally going to Darkside development. So this is what happened yesterday. Bye bye, dear Golf. And off it goes.
So we've got Misha's car in. It just arrived this morning. The guy literally drove it. He must have drove it from the port with how angry he was, because he just said, it's a piece of shit, I'm leaving it here, which is not too bad because Misha calls it his shit box.
Shit box.
Yeah, it's not in the best condition, but hopefully when we've done what we're doing, it'll be sorted. So, looking around it, telltale sign it's going to be something special. It's got some Nankang AR ones, semi-slicks. Got some decent wheels on it, like these Pro Track, must be somewhere in Germany. And then Stop Tech floating discs. It's got some big brakes on the back. And then we'll pop the bonnet, because that's probably the best place to see. Left-hand drive, obviously. GRZ RS Pro, manufactured in the Netherlands, so it'll be good stuff. I think these are freeway adjustable, so can be top mounts as well, which looks like we can still shove it in a bit more. So not too sure how far we're going to go with this as far as sort of developing the car. I'm hoping, if you watch the previous videos of what we've done, we're going to throw the engine and gearbox that's already built in here in short order, try and get it done as quickly and as efficiently as we can. A few little jobs to do otherwise, but get that fired in, open up the cooling a little bit, get the oil coolers mounted and all that sort of stuff, and then take this to the track, and hopefully the suspension, the brakes and everything's behaving as it is. We shall see. Every car we ever get in for tuning work ends up needing loads of other stuff. So inside, got some nice Recaro seats, which look a bit high, which are not too bad, but they're definitely a bit higher than I'd want. Yeah, really nice steering wheel. This must not have been cheap. Yes. So, wherever the key's gone, I've got it somewhere. So the last video, yeah, that's my key. The last video Misha did, this was misfiring. So we'll just have a quick look. We'll remove the wood trim. It's been a while since I've signed a Mk4 Golf. Definitely a while since I've done some diagnosis on it. Come on, you silly thing. If you get it right way around, it works. So it was running on 3 on the last video that he did. So yeah, it's not really. It's PD 150 ECU. Negative deviation. Cylinder 2 malfunction. Clear them. So none's coming back, but easy one to check. 13, 23. So the spread looks fine, so they're all injecting. That's a little bit high, but not ridiculous. It was 2 plus we normally worry. Bip, cylinder 2. I think we've got a electrical problem there. So, yeah. This is not very warm, so I'm wondering if he has drove it all the way here this morning. Yeah, the injectors are just going absolutely mental anyway, so there's something not right with the injectors. And we are lazy, it feels. Feels like the math sensor's not working. We'll just log that and see. 11, 3, 1, start. Yeah, that math sensor's not in good. It's not in good health. So I think the first thing to do with this, like we do every car, just go for a little drive in it, make sure there's nothing completely hanging off it, because there's no point putting an engine if your suspension's hanging off. we've got like a form that we're filling as well, which I'll do that. Go for a drive, and then we'll get in the workshop and start ripping inside. I don't know if we're going to do it straight away, because this has ended up coming a week earlier than we wanted it anyway. We're not really geared up to do anything with this at the minute, so I'll go for my drive, and we'll get into the workshop. So we're in the Golf. What's that clunking noise? It's another job for the list. There's a boost pipe completely hanging off. It's 2 things within 2 seconds. Luckily we're doing all the boost pipes and all that stuff. It stinks of exhaust gas in here as well, so definitely an exhaust leak. 3 things. Always drive strange when you're in a left-hand drive. Start that log. Oh yeah. No boost, so that's pointless. Wish I'd gone that other way now. The steering wheel's not straight. Oh my god. Quite a bit to the left. Oh dear. That's like a severe boost leak. There's absolutely no point saying anything else about it. It's a good job we're doing everything. That's all I can say. The aircon works. That is a nice surprise. Noisy tyres. This engine's not good. Thank God we're back. Now this is going to be a problem. How do I open the gate? Bago, scrapo.